Hi, I'm Mike, founder of Modern Engineering Solutions. Are you frustrated with your system and just want to hand the keys over to the state and let them deal with your problems? Do you have problems such as significant water losses, sewer inflow, and issues at your treatment plant? Let's take a deeper look into what caused these problems. All right, your system was most likely set up sometime in the 70s by a developer who had one goal in mind: maximizing profits. Then they handed the system off to you, and they didn't have that long-term planning horizon to deal with changing regulations and maintenance that you needed, and that hurts you. Here at MES, we're here to help plan, design, and fund your project. Our goal is to make sure things go as smoothly as possible for you. Just recently, we helped a disadvantaged community save $2 million on 2 water treatment plants and 5 miles of water pipeline. This was all accomplished through various government programs, and that could be you. If you're looking to improve your system and don't know where to start, use the link below and schedule a meeting with me.